Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we will see how file system work in Node.js. So in this video I'll show you how you can read and write the file in Node.js with two simple npm. One is csv to JSON and one more is path. Apart from that, you can also use fs module for reading and writing file system in Node.js. But I want to show you one new npm to do the same thing, and this is also very easy. The name of that npm is objects-to-csv. That is basically used for writing the CSV file in a certain location, and I'll be using the CSV to JSON for reading the data from a CSV file. So no more talking, let's start the video. So at first we need 3 npm. So I'll be downloading these 3 npm. One is npmi path and CSV to JSON. And one more is npmi objects to CSV. You can also check the documentation of npm doc of this npm objects to CSV npm documentation from Node.js website. Very much sorry for the background noise, guys. Let's proceed with the video. So now I'll be importing this npm. One is const csv required csv, and also I'll be taking that objects to csv. And the third npm is const path. So these 3 npm will be enough for us to read and write the file system. And also you can use the fs module. Maybe with the fs module I will make one more video, but in this video I'll be covering these 3 npm, right? So now as I have already told you that I'll be reading one data from a CSV file. So for that I have already made one CSV file, or this is index.csv. Here you can see the data like first name, last name, class, roll number, and address, and based on that I put the related data to this key. So now let's see how we can read this. So for that we have to at first take the file name. So this path is basically is taking the complete directory path, and then it will take the current location, right? So my directory path, like it will be like from C drive to this till this till this root directory, till this root folder. So it will take the root path, and after that it will take the specific file name which you want to read, right? So for that what we have to do, we have to do path.join, and then index.csv, right? Now these two location, like here, basically this first location, this specifically to if you want to mention any folder name, like if I make one folder and the folder name is client, right? And inside the client, if I'll be putting the same file, naming it as index.csv, same data I'm pasting here. So for that also, you just need to specify the folder name. So the folder name is client. So for you, maybe it is different. So here you can, if you want to fetch the data from client folder, like inside the client folder, we have index.csv. So that thing you can do. Or if you have the direct file inside your root directory, then also you can do. So currently, let me check this one at first. Like from client, we are taking the index.csv file, right? So now our path is set. Now the next step will be let data equals to await, then CSV, then sorry. This is not even showing in the the npm name is CSV to JSON. That's why that is not showing in the reference. So CSV to JSON, now CSV dot from file. Here you have to paste the file name. Now the moment you will do console log, it will give you the data, right? Let's see npm Start. He is giving some error. Okay, so this is giving error like await. Okay, so we cannot use await without any async function. So for that we can make one function read CSV, and if we put one async keyword before this, then we can definitely use the await. Right. Now, simple thing, we need to call this function. Okay. Okay. So you see, like it is reading the data. Let's check it properly. I'm making my comment from a little bit large. Now let's see. So it is printing the data. So let's see how the data is. So the data is coming in an array of object format. So this is what we need, right? We need the data in array of object array of object format, right? So first object, it is giving you that key value pair. Second one is also the same thing. So this way you can fetch the data, read the data from any index.csv file or any file system. Or for that, for these operations, you can also use the fs module. Like as I've already told you in this video, I'm covering these two npm, like csv-to-json, and another one is object-to-csv. Maybe in next video I'll be covering the fs one, right? Now, apart from this, the data we are having now, I want to write this data in a certain specific location, right? So for that, what we have to do? Same thing, like let write data. Then we have to take this npm object to CSV, and here we will be passing the data. And in the next line, we have to set the path, right? Await. So you will see, like in this npm, we also have so many functionality, right? You can check and you can use this functionality, but here I'll be using this to-disk option, and here in to-disk we will be mention the path name. So the path name I'm specifying as test.csv, right? You see, it has created test.csv. So the data, whatever we have seen inside the index.csv, you will see the same data has written now in the test.csv, you see, right? So you are able to see this data inside the test.csv. So this way you can read and write file in Node.js. So this is very simple. I hope this video will be helpful for you. I will put this complete code in GitHub repository and as well as in the description box, so that if you can check the code, and also you can practice at home. So in this video, till this only. In the next video, I'll be come up with some new topic of Node.js. Thank you guys. Good night. Take care.